What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel again. As you can see, we got another face on the channel, Coogan Tuning. He is my street tuner. He's gonna go ahead and actually touch up the tune now that the exhaust is fixed. He said he's got some tricks that he's gonna work, so we're gonna see how they come out. As you guys know, the car is running kind of funny. It tends to stall when you come up to a stop sometimes and stuff like that. So he's gonna go ahead and straighten it out. And yeah, see you guys in a minute. I done handed the keys over to him. Unfortunately, I gotta walk back into work in a minute, so I'm not gonna be able to film everything that he's doing, but it is what it is. We will see the final outcome, which really is all that matters. Obviously, we can't give the man secret sauces away, so gotta stay tuned. Look at that. And the car's gone for a little bit while I go back to work. He's gonna go ahead and do some street tuning. And yeah, we'll catch up with him in a minute. What's going on, everybody? We're gonna pick this video right back up where we were. As you guys can see, we left off with Coogan driving the car away. If you guys have not already, go check him out. Coogan Tuning on Instagram. He's local, he comes to you, he street tunes, dyno tunes, he does it all. As you guys just heard, the cold start, oh my god, it is so much better than it used to be. It used to be way choppier than that, but come to find out, we've been having some throttle body issues and possibly some fuel pump issues. So what we're gonna go ahead and do right now is pull this thing back into my work, put it in a bay, do an alignment really quick, and install a new set of plugs and a backup throttle body. The backup throttle body should fix the throttle problem and the stalling problem, and the plugs are way overdue. Wait until you guys see these. Never let your plugs get this bad, guys, ever. Oh, and oh my lord, does it drive completely different. The performance on it is a world of a difference. You can actually hear VTEC crossover in a 9th gen, guys. Don't let anybody tell you can't, because you definitely can. Well, as you guys can see, we're gonna go ahead and remove these plugs. If somebody walks up to me, I'm at work, so don't mind that. Don't come and help her. That's okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's bad. It's bad. We're gonna go ahead and pull the rest of them out. We're gonna show you them when we put them all out. All right, as y'all can see, we went ahead and replaced the throttle body, installed the new plugs, and then go ahead and tighten the top cover up. I only put the plastic cowling the plastic part of the cowling on for now, just to make sure that everything is working like it should. And once I verify that everything is working like it should, we'll go ahead and put the rest of the cowling on. Well, sorry y'all, I missed the cold start, but you'll get the point of it eventually. That's all right. So, we'll walk around over to the computer and go ahead and see what's going on here. There we go, you guys can see this a little better. As you can see, map is loaded, map is reading, air fuel is reading right around what it should be. So go ahead and see if I can give it some gas. I'll have a little bit of adjusting to do, but it looks pretty good. Go ahead and drive the car home, and we will go from there. I'll see you guys in just a minute, just in case we do not continue. As always, make sure like, subscribe, and comment if you guys have not already. Make sure and cop some merch, support us. See you guys in a minute.